lovelies, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be reviewing this nail dipping powder kit. So it is a very fast dry dip nail powder system, and it contains 3 different colors. So they are acrylic dip powder. The brand of this is Infeling, and I hope I'm pronouncing it okay. So you will not need an UV or LED lamp for this. All you need is what it comes in this box. So let's go ahead and open the box. And I forgot to mention this is from Amazon. So when we open the box, I have this little file, and then I have instructions of how to use it. And then I have this 12 months free extended guarantee. I guess you can register to be able to use this right here. Alright, you guys, so we'll put that on the side. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just get everything out. So you will receive this little bag. I'm guessing this is to put all the stuff in there. That's nice. Okay, so the first dipping powder is this beautiful nude color. To me it looks nude, but the name of it is olive brown, and it says fast dry dip powder, vitamin E, calcium, long lasting, and you will get 10 grams. All right, that's such a nice color. So the second one is saddle brown, and as you guys can see, it's a darker brown. And this one, Folkestone gray, which is a very nice gray also. All right, you guys, so also on the box I can see a dusting brush, and very important stuff. So this is the base coat, and then you got that activator, and there you have a number. So this is 1 and this is 2, and the top coat. Okay, and you will receive 7 ml on the bottles, and they also gift you these extra brushes just in case you guys need them. All right, you guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you how to use these. I already have a little model right here, which is my daughter. I also got the Infeling glue, and this is a very very good glue. I will show you guys. This one is also from the same brand. As you guys can see, it has 7 grams. And I will insert a clip on when I was gluing the tips. Now, I don't have the best tips here at home, and I was trying to buy new ones, but I couldn't at the store, at the beauty supply store. I couldn't find good ones, so I only found these cheap looking ones, but it still it glued really fast, and it dried really fast too. And I mean, can't even move or anything. So definitely like the glue. So I'm going to go ahead and get started, and then at the end, like in each video, I will come and talk to you guys. And like I said, you probably end up putting all your stuff in here, and I'm sure it's going to look really nice. I'm guessing this is for everything. Even you can put your extra brushes in there. As you guys can see, everything fits in there. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. And like I said, I will come back to talk to you guys at the end of the video. Alright, you guys, so this is how the nails look after I apply the base, and then I dip a couple of times until I actually was happy. I think when you start from like where you glue the tip, you do that part, I think it kind of looks better to me. I don't know. I'm not a professional on this, but I really enjoy doing this. This is kind of different and fun. I think I've done this maybe once before. So basically, after you finish dipping your nails, you just apply the activator. Make sure your whole nail is covered with that. Let it dry. So this is dry, and the only thing left I have to do is shape my nails. So that's what I'm going to do. But I want these nails to look really nice. So either you can file with that little file they send you, or I'm just going to use my drill, so much faster. So I'm just going to go over, trying to shape the nail, make sure I don't have any bumps. Now you don't want to do too much, because then you will end up with no powder, because you're removing it all, and you don't want that. So you gotta be careful. I think that looks pretty good. Like I said, I'm just trying to get rid of the bumps mainly. And I'm gonna just go ahead and shape the rest of the nails off camera. Once I'm done, I will come back and show you guys how all the nails look. But before I go, let me just, you know, buff. I want to use this right here to buff the nail, make it smooth and nice. Because I want to show you guys this part. Okay, so I'm just going to grab some alcohol and clean the nail that I just created. And you guys can see it already looks so much better. So the only thing left to do is to apply the top coat. I saw some people go back with the activator before top coat, just in case, you know, when you were actually filing, you know, you loosen up some of the acrylic. But I think it looks pretty good. I'm not gonna do that, so I'm just gonna go ahead and use number 3, which is the top coat. Make sure the alcohol is dry, and go ahead and top coat. And make sure you let this dry completely. On the instructions it says it takes like a minute. We'll see, but that's how the nail looks after I added the top coat. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of the nails, and then I'll be back to show you the final result. Alright, you guys, so this is how her nails look. I think they look pretty cute. They look pretty good. What do you guys think? So yeah, they were pretty easy to do. So I hope you guys like this review. Like I said, I'm not a professional, but you know, I love doing reviews on new products, old products, anything that has to do with nails, I really like doing. So this is how the dip nails look. So yeah, you guys, we'll leave the link of where you guys can find this. I hope you guys like it, and if you guys did, give it a big thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed to my channel, subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Bye. Say bye now.